life, please. Help me, I'm Amanda Berry.
You need police, fire, or ambulance?
I need police.
Okay, and what's going on there?
I've been kidnapped and I've been missing for 10 years and I'm here, I'm free now.
Today is May 6, 2023, and we're on the corner of Seymour Avenue and West 25th Street here in my own backyard of Cleveland, Ohio. It was exactly 10 years ago today that one of the biggest stories in the world happened right down here on this street. Now, Amanda Berry was just 16 when she vanished leaving work from Burger King. A year after Berry's abduction, Gina DeJesus was kidnapped at just 14 years old, returning home from middle school. And Michelle Knight was 21 years old when she went missing, all by the hands of a local bus driver and musician named Ariel Castro, who lived right here at 2207 Seymour Avenue, also known as the House of Horrors. Now, luckily the house is not here anymore. We're in the Tremont neighborhood of Cleveland. All three girls were imprisoned in this home until 2013, when Berry successfully escaped with her 6-year-old daughter and contacted the police. And here's the neighbor's home, who at the time was occupied by a Charles Ramsey, the neighbor of Ariel Castro. He was outside eating his McDonald's when he could hear the screams coming from next door of Amanda Berry trying to get out of the screen door. Now, Ramsey in heroic fashion ran over and helped Berry, who's been trapped in the home for over a decade.
And she comes out with the little girl and she says, "Call 911. My name is Amanda Berry."
Charles Ramsey became a overnight sensation and a hero because he ran over and helped Amanda out of the house, which led to the freedom of the two other women who've been in the house for a decade.
About 5 minutes after the police got here, see, the girl Amanda told the police, "I ain't just the only ones, it's some more girls up in that house." So they went up there, 30, 40 deep, and when they came out was just astonishing.
And finally, on May 6, 2013, police rescued Amanda Berry, her 6-year-old daughter, Michelle Knight, and Gina DeJesus, and arrested Castro hours later. And here we are, exactly 10 years later. Now, fortunately, they tore down this house. There's been talk of 10 years of turning it into a beautiful park, which unfortunately hasn't happened yet. But hopefully will happen someday in honor of these incredible women. Now, Castro couldn't even handle having his freedom taken away for a month, let alone the 10 years that he took the women's freedom away for. Castro was later transported to the Correctional Reception Center in Orion, Ohio, where at 52 years old he hung himself with a bedsheet. The women are sometimes referred to as the Seymour survivors. Amanda Berry joined the staff at Fox WJW in Cleveland, where she hosted short reoccurring segments in which she reports missing person cases in order to help families reunite with missing family members. Gina DeJesus would go on to volunteer at the Amber Alert Committee, offering comfort to families of abducted children. Michelle Knight has planned to open a restaurant and dreamed of getting married, which she did in 2016, and hopes to adopt children. Now, it's hard to say that this story had a happy ending, but I definitely want to thank Amanda Berry, Gina DeJesus, and Michelle Knight for the inspiration to keep going. Well, that's going to do it for today. And I just want to say, until we meet again, I'll see you next time.